Hello friends, most welcome to my YouTube channel Maths by Samit Deshmukh. So today we are starting example number 12 from Miscellaneous Exercise 5 from question number 2. So in this example, ABC means sides of this triangle ABC are in arithmetic progression. This is given condition. Using this we have to show that cot A by 2, cot B by 2 and cot C by 2 are also in what? Arithmetic progression. So let us try to solve this example. What is the given condition here? A, B, C are in arithmetic progression. We know that if three terms are in arithmetic progression, at that time difference of this term to its previous term and difference of this term to its previous term is what? Constant. Means B minus A will be equal to C minus B. So minus B on this side will become plus B. B plus B will be equals to 2B, and on this side minus A will become plus A, means A plus C. Means which condition is satisfying? 2B is equal to A plus C. Such type of condition already we have studied in class 11th and even we have used in many example also. So if terms are in arithmetic progression, at that time which condition is satisfying? That twice of B is equal to A plus C. Or if this condition is satisfying, we can say that terms are in arithmetic progression. So let us denote this equation which you have got from the given condition. Now what we have to prove? That cot A by 2, cot B by 2 and cot C by 2 are in arithmetic progression. To show that these three terms are in arithmetic progression, we have to prove that cot A by 2 plus cot C by 2. We have to show that addition of this first and last term will be equals to twice of middle term is equal to what? Twice of middle term. Then and then only we can say that terms are in arithmetic progression. Means we have to prove that sum of these two terms is equal to twice cot B. Means addition of these two terms is equal to twice cot B by 2. So twice, keep it as it is, cot B by 2 can also be written as cos B by 2 upon sin B by 2. If we are able to get such type of result that twice cos B by 2 upon sin B by 2, then to keep it as it is, cos upon sin can be replaced by what? Cot B by 2. Means this is our required result. To get this result, let us try to get this expression, means 2 cos B by 2 upon sin B by 2. So let us use the given condition here. So now we are finding addition of these two terms and we are trying to show that their value is equal to twice cot B by 2. Now cot A by 2, can I write it as sin A by 2 upon, not sin A by 2, cos A by 2 upon sin A by 2? Plus again cot C by 2 can be written as what? Cos C by 2 upon sin C by 2. Now we are taking here cross multiplication. This term will get multiplied on this side, so that it's cos A by 2 into sin C by 2 plus sin A by 2 into sin A by 2 into cos C by 2. In the denominator, let us see what we'll get. Sin A by 2 into sin C by 2. So which is equal to, let us simplify it. Now if you'll observe the numerator very carefully, it is in the form of sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B, which is nothing but formula of what? Sin A plus B. So it is the value of sin A. A means what here? A by 2 plus B means what here? C by 2. So sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B is the value of sin A plus B. In the denominator, sin A by 2 can be replaced by its value according to half angle formula. According to half angle formula, sin A by 2 will be equals to S minus B into S minus C divided by BC. And the value of sin C by 2 will be equals to S minus A into S minus B upon AB. These values we have substituted from half angle formula. So observe the numerator here. So in the numerator, if you will observe the given term, sin A by 2 plus C by 2 is there. So we know that A plus B plus C will be equals to what? Pi. A plus B plus C means sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. From this we can say that A plus C is equal to pi minus B by 2. pi minus b plus b on this side will become minus b, and if we are dividing both sides by 2, so on this side we will get pi by 2 minus b by 2, means a by 2 plus c by 2 can be replaced by pi by 2 minus b by 2. So here sign, keep it as it is. Now this a by 2 plus c by 2 can be replaced by pi by 2 minus b by 2. Now in the denominator, observe the denominator. Terms in the denominator are in the form of root a into root b, which can be written as what? Root ab. So it is in the form of root a into root b, can be written as what? Root ab. Parallelly observe that is it possible to simplify it or not. In the numerator, s minus b into s minus b will become what? Square of s minus b, and square of s minus b outside the root will become what? S minus b. So here s minus b, again observe in the denominator b into b will be equals to b square, and b square outside the root will become what? B. Now remaining term in the root are s minus c into s minus a, s minus a divided by here a into c, now according to allied angle formula, what is the value of sine pi by 2 minus theta will be equals to what? Cos theta, but theta is what here? B by 2. In this way, in the numerator, what we have got here? Cos b by 2. So to get our required result, in the numerator we will require what? Cos b by 2, and in the denominator what? Sine b by 2. So let us simplify the denominator now. So this s can be replaced by a plus b plus c upon 2 minus b, keep it as it is, and this divided by b can be written in what? Numerator into b, and this is the value of what? Sine b by 2 according to what? Half angle formula. Value of sine b by 2 is equal to under root s minus c into s minus a upon ac. So this is the value of what? Sine b by 2 according to what? Half angle formula. So here we have got cos b by 2, and in the denominator sine b by 2, means cos b by 2 upon sine b by 2 will be equals to what? Cot b by 2. Now remaining part is just to get what? 2 here. Now simplifying this term, let us try to get 2 here, okay, and let us check whether all the remaining terms will get cancelled or not. So which is equal to, so b, I am multiplying to numerator and denominator, by 2. Let us see what we'll get here. If I am multiplying to numerator by 2, here we will get 2b into cos b by 2, and since we are multiplying to numerator, that's why we are multiplying to denominator by 2. If I am multiplying to first term in the denominator by 2, 2 will get cancelled. What is the remaining term here? A plus b plus c, and here we will get minus 2b. This result we have got multiplying to denominator by what? 2. And keep sine b by 2 as it is, so which is equal to, here we have got 2 also. In our result we will require what? 2. So we have got 2 also here. So now let us check whether these terms will get cancelled or not cancel. So here twice b, keep it as it is in the denominator. So a plus c, keep it as it is, a plus c, this b and minus 2b will become minus b, and here cos upon sine can be replaced by what? Cot b by 2. So which is equal to 2b, keep it as it is, in the denominator a plus c. A plus c can be replaced by what? 2b, from which equation? First. So this a plus c can be replaced by 2b minus b, keep it as it is. Just simply we are replacing a plus c by 2b into cot b by 2, keep it as it is. So which is equal to 2b, keep it as it is. Let us see what we are getting in the denominator. 2b minus b will be equals to b into cot b by 2. So after cancelling b and b, so here remaining term will be equals to 2 cot b by 2. In this way, what result we have got here? What is our left hand side? That is cot a by 2 plus cot c by 2 is equal to, and what result we have got is equal to twice cot b by 2, twice cot b by 2. If this condition is satisfying, that a plus b is equal to a plus c is equal to twice b, if such type of condition is satisfying, we can say that three terms are in what? Arithmetic progression. Hence we can say that, hence cot a by 2, cot b by 2 and cot C by 2 are in arithmetic progression, which is our required result. Now see, in the example number 13, one triangle ABC is given to us in which angle C is equal to 90 degree. Using this condition, we have to show that sin A minus B is equal to A square minus B square upon A square plus B square. So given condition is that angle C of this triangle is of 90 degree, which already we have shown in the figure. And we know that sides we are denoting by what? Small a, small b, small c, where small a is the side opposite to vertex A, small b is the side opposite to vertex B, and small c is the side opposite to vertex C. So if you'll observe this figure, if angle C is 90 degree, then Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem we can say that C square is equal to A square plus B square. Let us denote it by equation number first. This equation we have got from the given condition that one angle of this triangle is equal to what? 90 degree. Now let us consider here right hand side and try to show that its value is equal to what? Left hand side. Now to convert the sides in terms of angle, so we are making the use of what? Sine rule here. So first write down sine rule. So by sine rule, since we have to convert small a, b in terms of what? In terms of trigonometric function. So in the numerator write down a upon sine A is equal to b upon sine B is equal to c upon sine C. Let us denote this ratio say by k. So in the numerator we have written ABC because if we are considering right hand side, we will require the value of small a, small b. So which implies that A is equal to sine A into K will be equals to K sine A. In the same way, B will be equals to K sine B, and C will be equals to, C is equal to sine C into K will be equals to K sine C. Once these values are known to us, let us denote all these values say by equation number 2. Now we are considering right hand side. So what is our right hand side here? A square minus B square upon A square plus B square is equal to. Now we are substituting the values. A means what? K sine A. So A square means what? K square sine square A minus B square. B means what? K sine B. So its square is K square sine square B. Observe the denominator very carefully. What is denominator? A square plus B square. But A square plus B square can be replaced by what? C square from equation number first. So here we are substituting the value from equation first and second. So these values we have substituted from equation second, and the denominator C square, A square plus B square can be replaced by C square from equation number first. So which is equal to, can I take K square common from both the terms? If we are taking K square common, observe the remaining terms. Remaining terms are what? Sine square A minus sine square B. In the denominator, C square can be replaced by K square sine square C. Okay, here K square and K square will get cancelled. Now again observe the numerator. Terms in the numerator are in the form of A square minus B square. What are the factors of A square minus B square? A plus B into A minus B. A plus B means what we will get here? Sine A plus sine B into A minus B means sine A minus sine B. In the denominator, sine keep it as it is, the square also as it is, and I am replacing C. What is the value of angle C? Is equal to 90 degrees. Is equal to what? 90 degree. Now observe the first term in the numerator. Here we are able to apply factorization formula, and here also we are able to apply factorization formula. Means which formula is applicable here? Sin C minus sin D, sin C plus sin D, and here sin C minus sin D. So see what we'll get here. According to factorization formula, value of sin C plus sin D will be equals to 2 sin C plus D, means here what we'll get? A plus B upon 2 into cos A minus B upon 2. This result we have got simply applying what? Factorization formula. Again, sin A minus sin B can be written as twice cos A plus B, cos A plus B upon 2 into sine a minus b upon 2, a minus b upon 2. All these results we are getting just simply applying factorization formula. In the denominator, sine 90 is equal to 1, sine 90 is equal to 1, keep the square as it is. So which is equal to, now in the denominator square of 1 is 1, and we know that nothing is there in the denominator means 1 is always there. Now observe the numerator very carefully. First we are collecting the terms of a plus b by 2. How many terms are there? 2 terms. So 2 sine a plus b by 2 into cos a plus b by 2. Then collect the terms of a minus b by 2. So again here 2 terms are there. Keep this twice as it is. Twice as it is. First write down sine a minus b by 2 into what? Cos a minus b by 2, a minus b by 2. Just we are collecting the terms of a plus b by 2 and here a minus b by 2. We are trying to arrange the term in the form of half angle formula of sine. We know that sine theta can be written as 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Means 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 is the value of what? Sine theta. Theta is what here? A plus b. Again if you will observe, these terms are also in the form of 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2, which is nothing but value of sine theta. Theta is what here? A minus b. This result we have got applying half angle formula, and sine a minus b is our required result. Now we have to show that value of this term will be equals to what? 1. If we are able to show that value of this term is equal to 1 into sine a minus b, sine a minus b, which is our required result. So which is equal to, so sine a plus b can be replaced by, we know that sum of 3 angles of a triangle is equal to what? 180 degree. So a plus b plus c is equal to how much? Pi. A plus b plus c is equal to 180. From this, a plus b is equal to what? Pi minus c. So a plus b can be replaced by pi minus c. Again, according to allied angle formula, sine pi minus theta is equal to what? Sine theta. Theta is what here? C. Into sine a minus b, keep it as it is. What is the value of c? Angle c is given to us. Its measure is equal to 90 degrees. Into sine a minus b, keep it as it is. So which is equal to sine 90 is equal to 1 into sine a minus b. So which is equal to 1 into sine a minus b will be equal to sine a minus b, which is the required result here. Now see the example number 14. In the example number 14, in triangle ABC, which condition is satisfying? Cos A upon A is equal to cos B upon B. Using this, we have to show that this triangle ABC is what? Isosceles triangle. We know that triangle is isosceles if its 2 angles are equal or if its 2 sides are equal. Here if we are applying sine rule, then using sine rule we are able to show that 2 angles of a triangle are equal, and if we are applying cosine rule here, then we are able to show that 2 sides of the triangle are equal. Getting it? So now let us try to solve this example applying cosine rule. Means we are trying to show that 2 sides of the triangle are equal. So here 1 upon a, take it on one side. We are substituting the value of cos a, which is nothing but b square plus c square minus a square upon 2bc. On this side also 1 upon b, keep it as it is, take it on one side, substitute the value of cos b, that is a square plus c square minus b square upon 2ac. So therefore in the denominator, let us check what we are getting. 2abc, 2abc. In the numerator, b square plus c square minus a square, keep it as it is. On this side also in the denominator write down 2abc, and in the numerator what we are getting? A square plus c square minus b square. Check whether denominator of both the terms, both the sides are equal. Yes, 2abc and 2abc on both sides will get cancelled. Here what is the remaining term? B square plus c square minus a square is equal to a square plus c square minus b square. After cancelling c square on both sides, c square plus c square and plus c square will get what? Cancel, because plus c square on this side will become minus c square, and plus c square minus c square will get cancelled. Then collect the terms of a square on one side and b square on another side. Minus b square on this side will become plus b square. B square plus b square is 2b square, and minus a square on this side will become plus a square. So a square plus a square will become 2a square. Again, after cancelling 2 on both sides, so remaining term is b square is equal to a square. If we are taking square root on both sides, so b will be equals to a. Means what we have shown here in this triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, what result we have got? A is equals to B. A is equals to B means we have shown that two sides of this triangle are equal, and we know that if two sides are equal, then triangle is what? Isosceles triangle. So therefore we can say that triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. And this is the result which we have to prove here. See in the example number 15, which condition is satisfying? Sin square a plus sin square b is equal to sin square c. Using this condition, we have to show that triangle ABC is what? Right angle triangle. So since the terms are in the form of sine, so to solve this example we are applying sine rule. So sine, we will to use this condition, we will require which value? Sin a, sin b, sin c. So that's why this sine rule can be written as sin a upon a is equals to sin b upon b is equal to sin c upon c. And let us denote this ratio say by k. So I am denoting this ratio say by k. Say means what? We are supposing that the value of this ratio is equals to what? K. So this implies that sin A is equal to A into K will be equals to KA. In the same way, we will get the value of sin B is equal to KB, and value of sin C will be equals to KC. So let us denote these values say by equation number first, which you have got applying sine rule. Now we are considering given equation. What is the given equation? That sin square A plus sin square b is equal to sin square c. Now sin a is equal to ka, so sin square a will be equals to what? K square a square. Sin b is kb, means sin square b is equal to k square b square, and sin c is kc, so its square will be equals to k square c square. All these values we are substituting from equation number first. Now if you will observe this equation very carefully, check that on both sides can I cancel k square? If we are cancelling k square, means if we are dividing both sides by k square from all the term will get cancelled, and remaining term will be a square plus b square is equal to c square. What is ABC? ABC are nothing but what? Sides of the triangle. And what result we have got here? Square of one side is equal to sum of square of other two sides. If this condition is satisfying, then by converse of Pythagoras theorem we can say that triangle is what? Right angle triangle. So therefore by converse of Pythagoras theorem, we can say that triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. And in this right angle triangle, which angle will be equals to 90 degree? Here C is the hypotenuse. C is the hypotenuse, and which is the angle opposite to side C is angle C. And that's why we can say that angle C is equal to how much? 90 degree. And that is the result which we have to show here. We have to show that triangle is what? Right angle triangle. So in this way we have completed 15 questions from this question number 2. Remaining example we will discuss in the next video.